Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is you and your person's reading. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's your energy, Leos. What's going on your side, Leos? So on your side we have the Fool, so it seems to be quite active today. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Three of Wands, okay? The most likely outcome in this connection. Okay, the Six of Swords. So you are ready for a new beginning, Leos, and your person with the Three of Wands is also turning their back to something in their life and moving on to something new, or at least ready for a new beginning to some extent. Okay, maybe waiting, but yes, this person is waiting for the right time, right opportunity, right situation, whatever it is. We'll see that in the clarifiers. The most likely outcome is the Six of Swords. So leaving behind the past, moving towards peace, happiness, and again something new, I should say. So let's see, what is this Fool about? What's this Fool about for the Leos? What's this Fool about? Okay, we have the Ten of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Lovers. Okay, what's this Three of Wands here for Leo people person? What's this Three of Wands here for Leo's person? The Five of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the Page of Swords. Okay. What's the Six of Swords here for? So for the Six of Swords, we have the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the Death and Rebirth. Okay. So Leos, the new beginning which you are looking for, or which you are ready to move towards, is your wish fulfillment. You want stability, you want family, you want commitment, you want a long-term relationship, and that is what you are ready to communicate to this person. With the Ten of Cups and the Lovers being there, so this is the leap of faith you are ready to take, or a new beginning you are ready to I should say manifest with this person, or at least this is what you want to talk about to this person. Okay, you want to convey your feelings because you are really attracted and you feel passionate for this person. You really want this to be communicated to them, that you really want a commitment with them. You want to have a family. You want a new beginning in that respect with this person. As far as this person is concerned, with the Three of Wands, we have the Five of Swords, the Seven of Wands, and the Page of Swords. So what I feel is something has happened between both of you, some fight, something has happened, and because of which there was to some extent, I should say, there was fight. This person was not talking to you. Maybe there was some disconnect. This person, maybe you were not talking. There is a phase in which you have stopped talking because this person is focusing on their own mental peace. This person wants peace. This person maybe didn't want to indulge in whatever you had to say. They didn't want to listen to whatever you had to say at some point in time. But this person basically wanted some sort of time, I should say, to clear the fight, or to sort it out in their own head, I should say, without you saying anything to them necessarily. Okay, so this is the person who was choosing self peace. They were being defensive. They were not talking to you. They were defensive. They were guards up. Okay, I just leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. Type of an energy was there at some point in time, maybe in recent past. But yes, with the Page of Swords, this person, though it may be tough for this person. It's not easy because something may have hurt them deeply. But yes, this person is ready for a new beginning, and that they're ready to turn their back on whatever the argument or the fight which you people have had. This person, they have ultimately realized that no, they also want a new beginning, and I think they're turning the back to whatever the argument or the fight was, and they are ready for the new beginning here. And with the Six of Swords being the most likely outcome, yes, this is leaving the fight or the tensions or the arguments, whatever has happened behind. towards peace, and for that we have the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the Death and Rebirth. So this is a major transition over here. Things are changing with the Ten of Swords. This is completion. So whatever has happened between both of you, I should say, this fight or an argument, this is ending. You are moving towards this happiness, towards this Queen of Cups, which is talking about a lot of emotions. So you are feeling very, very content. Both of you are looking for emotional contentment and happiness. What I feel here is that this is a transition, this is a sort of a new beginning for both of you in this relationship, and you are ready to leave behind whatever was there in the past, whatever had happened. But you and both of you are ready to take, I think, another chance, I should say. Let me see anything else. With the Five of Cups, again we have the King of Swords and the High Priestess. So yes, maybe I think maybe this relationship may still, you need to take some time, I think. With the High Priestess, Five of Cups, and the King of Swords, definitely whatever has happened, there is somebody here is definitely, I think this is this person who is very, very upset for whatever has happened in this relationship, and they are really not communicating. This person perhaps needs more time to some extent. They are listening to the intuition, yes, and they want still some time. That's what I feel. Maybe slowly they are turning their back to the fight, but I don't know why now. What one more for some of you, it can be that maybe some, I don't know why. For some of you, what I'm getting is maybe this person is actually turning their back because they are over with it. For some of you, this also is possible. So maybe for some of you, after this fight, for some of you, this person may be ready to leave the past and be ready for a new beginning. For others of you, I think that this person is done with the relationship, and they are wanting they want to end it and move on, I should say. So let's see what is the message from the universe. Be willing to express love to receive love. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. So maybe if you don't communicate or you don't reach out to the person, then maybe this person actually moves on. Can be there. So if you really are interested to give it a second shot, then perhaps you need to communicate. Take the risk, whatever is required, and just see what happens. Because I'm getting both the vibe. For some of you, it may work out. For others of you, it may not work out. So that's all I have for you, Leos. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.